let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight.
Hey Jules, welcome to my channel 4C Crown of Glory. In today's video, I'm taking you all with me to have my blonde wig professionally installed. So before I got to the salon, I went ahead and I washed my hair. I blow dried it. I also put it up in some braids to help keep it detangled. And now since I'm here and waiting for my stylist, I just went ahead and started taking down my braids. By the time I finished taking down my braids, she was ready for me. She just went ahead and blow dried my hair, and then she started braiding it down for my wig install. The way that she braided my hair was pretty cool. She did straight backs and then she connected them all in the back. She connected them all into just one braid. I'm not gonna lie, here I was like, I don't know how this is gonna look on me with my complexion, and I was a little scared, but I was like, let me just let her work her magic and see how it turns out. So the wig is advertised to be 100% human hair. However, here the hairstylist was explaining to me that the quality of the hair and the lace was not that great. However, she worked her magic and she was able to pluck it and make it look as natural as possible.
This lace is very fragile. It's hard to pluck out. Pluck it and it's not clean.
Yeah.
So you can't pluck out.
Once she started applying the mousse, I knew then it was going to turn out better than I expected. I was so hungry, so my son went ahead and brought me some lunch. I could have waited though because she was almost done. I had to sit underneath the dryer for about a half hour. And this is what it's looking like. She's not even done and it looks so good already. The edges are nice, the hair is nice and straight, although it's not flat ironed completely. She's now gonna go ahead and run the flat iron through just to make it nice and sleek. So this is the final look and I love it. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.